We sliced tomatoes, parsley, garlic, and onions. And we poured water in the pan. We put salt and oil in the pan. And now we put oil in a different pan. And here we put the garlic. And now we put the onions in. And now we will mix it all together. And now we put the tomatoes. Now we put the baby tomatoes in. And now the tuna. Here's another one. Then we remove the leaves from the tuna. Now we put the pasta in. And here my mom put some parsleys. Here my mom put the garlic powder and the pepper. Here's the pasta, it's still boiling. And here's the sauce, it's done. Now we are gonna mix it both. And here my mom is putting the parsleys at the top. Now for the second dish, where my mom is putting butter and melting it on the pan. Here my mom put the pork in. And here my mom is doing the gravy. She put butter and flour and mixed it all together. Now here my mom put some chicken broth and some soy sauce. My mom is putting some gravy on the pork. And this is the final results. It's spicy pasta and pork. It's pork steak.